I'll take the couple of the tie wraps and the bracket. This is a custom 3D printed bracket that has the radius of the steering column on one side and the radius of the speaker that we're using on this side. And this is the little spring clip, the lower end, that sticks up into the bottom of the speaker to hold it after it hooks onto the hook on the top. And all we have to do to install it is put these tie wraps through the bracket like this, and like this. Okay, and that's going to then fit right on here, right up against the top, and we'll center that flat with flat on the stem. And on both sides of the bracket is this high friction tape that makes it grasp onto the column. That will go right onto the hook on the bracket, like so, and then the bottom will just snap right onto the bracket. You'll hear it click, and you'll see it's really solid. And trim them off. Hold down the power button until I hear the sound, and it starts up. Comes up in Bluetooth mode, but if we touch the button again for half a second or so, we'll put it into TF card mode. So that gives you a pretty good idea.
Hello, is there anybody in there? Just not if you can hear me.
I'll hold it down for 3 seconds. I hear the sound there, that whoomp, and it's turned back off. Anyway, that's all it takes to assemble. Here's all it takes to remove it from the bike when it's time to charge it up or put it away or just get it out of harm's way. I push downward with my thumb on the lower bracket and then lift it right off. And that's it.